So our question is, a tuning fork is used to produce resonance in glass tube. The length of the air column is in this tube can be adjusted by a variable piston. At room temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, two successive resonances are produced at 20 centimeter and another at 73 centimeter of column length. So if the frequency of tuning fork is 320 Hz, the velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees Celsius is. We need to find out the frequency of tuning fork at 320 Hz. So our question is this, and we are not given that any gas is present in glass tube or not. So in this air, so in this air is present there, and we know that velocity of sound in air at we know that velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees Celsius is, it is 339 meter per second. So now given that two successive resonance is produced, we will use the formula of resonance is V equal to 2 V equal to 2F L2 L2 minus L1, then equal to 2 into 320 0.73 minus 0.02, then it is equal to, if we solve that, 640 into 0.53, so it will come V equal to 339.2 339.2 meter per second. So our answer is 339 meter per second.